Okay, this is a Ford 55A with a very wet seat, so I'm not gonna be able to sit down. But this is a Ford 55A, if I can get the key out. This is a Ford 55A. Okay, I don't know how many times I've said that, but you stick the key in the ignition right here, and it's raining like snot. Okay, you stick the key in the ignition, you turn it, if I got it at the right thing there. Shit. Turn it. And it starts, but I can pull out my key because it's worn out. See? Pretty good. Alrighty. My Ford 55A.